Well, I made it. First stop of the day. Check it off the bucket list. After driving from Boise, Idaho, I spent the night in Walla Walla, Washington. The first stop of the day is going to be Palouse Falls, Washington. Then move on over to northern Idaho for more adventures. Turning off the highway onto the roughest 2 miles of gravel I had ever driven. It was the mother of all washboard avenue roads. This is the entrance here, and they said, you know, fee required or fee area. So I pull up here and found out it's closed. Okay. Well, that was 2 miles of really rough road getting down here. Let's see. Explore massive floodscapes. Interesting. There's the parking lot. I'll go down there in a minute. Just kind of give you a little idea here of the landscape. All the necessary porta potties. I got some bikers out here. Some Chica bikers. Donors of Palouse Falls property. The Baker Boyer National Bank, Walla Walla, Washington, McGregor Land and Livestock Company, Hooper, Washington, and Miss Agnes Sale, Washtumna, Washington. Thank y'all for donating this property so we can see it. It's about 10:30 in the morning in northeastern, eastern Washington. I had to stop and think, where am I? Wow. Good. Got to go down there. Got to go down there for sure. Pay station. I guess it's one that automatic. Another $10 spent. Okay, let's take a little short walk here. A little short jog. Jog. I'm glad they got handrails here. Help stabilize an old man. You know, after getting here, I thought afternoon would be better for lighting, and it probably would, but I'm not hanging around there in the sun, or the earth tilts around to give me better lighting. But here I am. I will not be filming them. Oh, some of them rocks are slick. Whew. Glad that handrail was there. Can you hear the water down there? That's a pretty high fall. Well, I made it, and here I am. Slight stumble on the stairs, but Thank goodness for the handrail, I caught myself. That's a big canyon. Can you imagine how many millions and millions of years it took the water to eat through all of these rocks? And then finally, at that point there where the waterfall was, it was very hard. So that's where the erosion stopped. And then this part just continued. Just mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. Come down here. This is the end of the trail. I ain't hiking up there and going around. Stupid's not written on my forehead. I should say so. Look at this. Look at this. How many eons? How many eons of time to wash away this rock?